Let me show you how to sync the analog and digital time on any Casio G-Shock watch. So you see, at least for me currently, the hands are completely off from the digital time, but we can actually easily adjust them as needed. So the way we do it is we simply press and hold this upper button. So on the left side, the upper button that you also use to customize your time. So press and hold it, and we are going to keep holding it. So ignore this and keep holding it. You will see HS. And once you see HS 1200 release, then it will actually try to move the hands at exactly 12 position. So once it stops, you see it's completely off. And the way we, so our goal is to simply move both hands on the 12 exactly. The way we do it is we use this button, also this button to move the arm. So you see, if I press, for example, this button, it actually moves on this direction. If I press like this button, you see it actually moves up. Also, we can press and hold these buttons as well. So you see, if I press and hold, so it actually automatically like rapidly goes. And once you're satisfied, we can basically press again. So again, I'm going to press and hold a bit. Okay, so almost done. And I'm going to simply inch this button by simply gently pressing. So you see, almost done. So let's go a bit back. So looks about right. So so you see, both hands should be absolutely perfect. And once you are like this, we are going to simply press the display button again. So this set button, and you see it will actually go back to the current time. And let's verify. So as you see, 2:10, and again exactly like that there as well. Anyway, good luck.